Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we're covering part 4 of the Data Skills Level Up mini-series. This will be the final part. And after talked about the paid resources, the free resources, and how to plan your learning journey, this part will talk about how to execute your learning journey. Now, execution is all about learning habits. What you want to do is to form a learning habit into your day-to-day and bake that execution into your plan. The first thing you can do is to start small. So if you don't have a learning habit and you say, okay, starting 2024, I am going to learn for 2 hours every day, it's actually very daunting. You don't grow time on trees. You can't just magically find 2 hours in a day to learn. What I suggest is to start small. Every day, learn something. You could start small with reading a blog. A blog is about usually 6-7 minutes to read. Every day, you squeeze 6-7 minutes from anywhere and read a blog and learn something you didn't know before. And everybody can find 5 minutes, 6 minutes from somewhere to learn something. That's really important to get used to that daily habit. After you've done that for a few weeks, and 5 minutes every day is easy to do, increase that, right, to 15 minutes. Maybe this time you can watch a few YouTube videos. And over time, you can increase the amount of time that you are learning every day and just naturally build a learning muscle. And this way, you're not starting with a 2-3 hour block and 5 minutes you can squeeze out somewhere, 15 minutes, and then maybe it's half an hour. And once you get used to that, it's easier to find time in your day to actually learn. The second piece is to find a study buddy. But I do a lot of things for work, outside work. I do YouTube videos, I write blogs, and I'm doing a certification right now. And that's probably the first thing I will give up if I'm busy. But I found a study buddy, and every week I'm meeting my study buddy, and every week we are doing a certain progress check on what we have accomplished this week. And this is really important because then I'm held accountable. I have this social pressure. I have to actually having studied the next chapter before we meet next week. So this is really good to hold yourself accountable and really good for you to not deprioritize learning. The next thing is to build it into your daily routine. To me, it's really, really important to learn something every day. And it'd be really good if learning is part of your job. By doing your job, naturally, you're learning something. But sometimes you're just busy with a lot of the admin work, a lot of stakeholder management, and you're not necessarily learning anything technical or hard skills. So it could be very frustrating for people like us. But I said to myself, every day I'm going to learn something new. And I have to park half an hour, 15 minutes after work every day to learn something I didn't know about. If you have that routine, if you say every day between 6 and 6:30 is going to be my learning time, and schedule it into your calendar and protect that time religiously, just like a lot of people protect their lunch hour religiously. You want to protect your learning time as much as you say, I have to eat lunch every day, I'm gonna learn every day. And that's really important once it's in your calendar and you respect that time slot in your calendar. And the next thing is to make it easy for yourself. Make it easy so that your learning materials is very easy to get to. Your learning environment is very pleasant for you. It's not very noisy. You're not sitting in a coffee shop with the roadworks going on the outside and babies sitting next to you and crying, and you actually are comfortable in a quiet environment and you have your screen set up properly, and you can code away or you can watch a video, or if you're reading books, just make it really comfortable and really easy for yourself. And that's where you actually like learning and enjoy learning. Otherwise, it's very difficult to concentrate. And learning is probably one of those things that you actually need to concentrate to get the benefit out of this. And that's it. That's my advice for forming a learning habit and execute your learning plan. If you have any other advice, please let me know in the comment. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the series. Bye.